और आज का टॉपिक है हमारा प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ इनकम मेथड। कल हमने पढ़ा है, लास्ट लेसन में हमने पढ़ा है इनकम मेथड, हाउ टू एस्टिमेट द जीएनपी और जीडीपी ऑफ ए कंट्री थ्रू इनकम मेथड. In that very topic, in that very day, we discussed that GNP or GDP of a country is sum total of factor incomes earned by all the factors of production, including government sector, private sector income as well as government sector income. As we know, all the people of a country are divided into four factors of production. Some are landlords, some are capitalists, some are laborers, some are organizers or entrepreneurs. They earn rent, wages, interest, and profit. When we sum up the rent, wages, interest, profit earned by the factors of production of a country, that becomes the gross national product. Then we again classified these four incomes into three heads, into three categories. One was क्या था? शाबाश. Compensation of employees.
Yes, openness.
The wages of the country are given the name of compensation of employees, which includes wages and salaries.
Operating surplus.
Then we have operating surplus. The next, income from property, which is income from property and entrepreneurship. And the third was the mixed income. So sum total of compensation of employees, operating surplus, and mixed income earned during an accounting year in an economy is GNP, or national income of a country. Today we will discuss what are the precautions necessary for income method. Precautions necessary, cautions, which cautions we have to take care while estimating the national income of a country for income method. While using income method, we have to take following precautions into consideration. So while estimating national income through income method, following precautions are necessary. Following precautions are necessary. किन किन चीजों का हमें ख्याल रखना है? किन किन चीजों का हमें ख्याल रखना है? कौन सा इनकम इंक्लूड करना है, कौन सा इनकम एक्सक्लूड करना है? To reach our best conclusion, a real picture of the economy, how to reach the real national income without overestimating or underestimating, without overestimating or underestimating. Thus, the first precaution is the income from transfer payments. Income from transfer payments or transfer earnings, transfer payments. Like क्या ट्रांसफर पेमेंट में क्या क्या आता है, मैंने आपको बताया. These are unilateral transfers, one-sided transfers, like old age pensions.
Pension, yes, sir.
Scholarship. Unemployment compensation.
Subsidies.
Unemployment compensations. Subsidies. Subsidies are not included in national income or GNP. National income or GNP, because corresponding to transfer payments, there is no value addition. If this question is imposed or asked,
yes, sir,
rather, we should answer that it is unilateral income, it is one-sided payment. In case of transfer payments, there is no value addition or no production of goods and services, or because we can say no economic activity is involved, because In case of transfer payments, no economic activity is involved. Economic activity is involved. इसमें economic activity involved नहीं होती है. That means economic activity means that activity in which goods and services are produced. There is no value addition in the economy. However, as already noted, retirement pensions are to be included. But retirement pensions वो भी लगता है जब एक आदमी घर में बैठता है, कोई काम नहीं करता है गवर्नमेंट के लिए, रिटायरमेंट लेता है, तो अकल ये कहती है it should not be included, but they are included in the compensation of employees, जो हमने कल वो बात की है. Pensioners, but retirement pensioners should be included. Included in GNP. So ये पहली precaution है. As these are part of compensation of employees. First precaution is income from transfer payments like old age pensions, scholarships, unemployment compensations, etc. They should be included. Right? Hello? खत्म हो गया ये. अच्छा, सेकंड क्या है? इनकम फ्रॉम इलीगल एक्टिविटीज. Illegal activities. Income from illegal activities like smuggling, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Smuggling,
yes,
theft,
yes, sir.
theft. इसी तरह gambling, समझ आता है? Gambling,
yes, sir.
जार शार कुछ है, etc.
Yes, sir.
Should not be included.
Yes, sir.
Not be
included
in GNP. ये GNP में
GNP.
include मत करो, हैं? ये चीजें include
yes,
मत करो, हैं? As income generated
yes,
in terms of black money is not to be accounted. It is because no accounts are available for such income. इसके लिए कोई account, कोई cash book नहीं है. चोर अपने पास कैश बुक रखेगा कितनी मैंने चोरी की है और कितना खर्च किया है. Number 3 is income from sale of second hand goods.
Yes sir, वो भी include नहीं होता.
Sale of second hand goods. Income earned from sale of second hand goods. ये भी नहीं. Should not be included. Should not be included. Should not be included. ये भी include नहीं करना है. But इसमें क्या है? The income
होता है.
Commission.
Yes sir, commission. Yes sir. वो include होता है.
The commission earned by agents of second hand goods. जो लोग वो second hand good लेता है और दूसरे को देता है, जो उसका
commission होता है वो include होता है.
By agents of second hand goods.
Should be included.
Should be included. हाँ, वो include करना पड़ेगा. Should be included in GNP.
GNP.
हाँ. Fifth one.
Fourth.
नहीं, 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth one.
अच्छा हाँ.
ये मैंने अलग बना दिया इसको. और एक है, ये बहुत अच्छा है इसमें. The income earned from sale of this income from shares, bonds, debentures. Income
Yes, sir.
from sale of shares, bonds, debentures should not be included. Should not be
Not be included.
included because it is simply financial transaction. Financial transaction. Financial transaction. Transaction. But brokerage earned by brokers. But brokerage. B-R-O-K-E-R-A-G-E. Brokerage earned by brokers of shares. But the brokerage earned by brokers of shares should be included. Should be included. हाँ, जो शेयर से, बॉन्ड से, डिबेंचर से इनकम आएगा वो जीएनपी में इंक्लूड नहीं करना. बट those people who buy and sell shares and earn some brokerage or commission, that is included. That is included. ठीक है? ठीक है? That is, वो तो खाली financial transaction है. That is only the financial transaction like sale of shares, bonds and debentures should be excluded. इसी तरह sixth one, the sixth one. ये क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये क्लियर हो गया. और एक चीज है, इनकम टैक्स इज paid out of compensation of employees. It should not be separately added in the estimation of national income. तो इनकम टैक्स को इसमें मत लगाओ, वो भी एक्सक्लूड कर लो. इसी तरह है कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स. कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स और ये डिविडेंड्स एंड अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट्स. डिविडेंड्स एंड अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट्स, ये कंफ्यूजन करता है कभी. अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट्स should not be included separately in should not be separately included in GNP because if one's whole profit is included in GNP. ये क्या बात है? ये क्या बात हुई? जो प्रॉफिट होता है उसको हम तीन हिस्से करते हैं. एक तो होता है डिविडेंड,
Yes, sir.
दूसरा होता है अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट, वो मैं पढ़ाऊंगा दूसरे लेसन में, अनडिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड प्रॉफिट. और तीसरा होता है कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स. कॉर्पोरेट. सो होल प्रॉफिट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 हेड्स. हम लिखते हैं कि इनको सेपरेटली ऐड मत करो अगर हमने एक ही बार प्रॉफिट को इंक्लूड किया. अगर हमने सारे प्रॉफिट को इंक्लूड किया, एक बार किया प्रॉफिट इंक्लूड, फिर दूसरे बार इनको अलग अलग से इंक्लूड मत करो, तो दैट विल बिकम डबल काउंटिंग. दैट मे इन्वॉल्व द डबल काउंटिंग. अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं इंक्लूड हुआ, फिर हम सेपरेटली इनको, इफ दे आर सेपरेटली इंक्लूडेड देन प्रॉफिट शुड नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड. If these three are separately included, then profit should not be included. अगर प्रॉफिट को हमने इंक्लूड किया तो इन 3 को इसमें इंक्लूड मत करो,
नहीं करना।
इंक्लूड मत करो। समझ आ गई बात?
Yes, sir.
बात समझ आ गई हैं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इसी तरह the very important one, all unpaid services, all unpaid services, all unpaid services, like वो services, वो काम जिनके लिए पे नहीं होता है, like services of a housewife, services
Yes,
of
sir.
a housewife, services of a housewife, hobby,
Housewife.
hobby,
Yes, sir.
etc. should not be included. Should not be included in GNP.
GNP.
Be included in only those services for which payments are made should be included. Only those services
Services.
for which payment is made should be
Included.
हाँ, खाली वही सर्विस जिसके लिए हम कुछ
Payment.
पे करते हैं, हम कुछ पे करते हैं।
Yeah.
और है imputed rent of self-occupied house or building. Self-occupied house or building should be included. जो मैं कल आपको बताता था, जो हमने उसमें वैल्यू एडिड में भी ये पॉइंट लिखा है, imputed rent है, अगर हम अपना मकान खुद इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इसी तरह ये हो गया रेंट ऑफ सेल्फ ऑक्यूपाइड बिल्डिंग और हाउस और एनी प्रॉपर्टी है। इसी तरह
Yes.
imputed value of self consumed goods, imputed value of self consumed goods
should be included.
So these are some precautions which are necessary for, अगर 8-9 आपको याद नहीं रहेंगे तो 5-6 से काम चलेगा, अगर छोटा क्वेश्चन है तो 5-6 से काम चलेगा। और एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज 10वां में दे दूंगा which is very important, add the value of exports but subtract the value of imports. Import का वैल्यू माइनस
करना और इसका
import का वैल्यू प्लस करना है from GNP. Add the value of exports but subtract the value of imports from GNP. So this is all about the precautions related to national income. So income method. Clear हो गया ये?
Yes, sir.
ये clear हो गया?
Add
Add
the value
the value of exports but subtract the value of imports
Imports from GNP.
from
GNP.
GNP. Yes.